Heyo, I have a hairdryer and a little bowl of frozen vegetables. 2 beans, 4 pieces of corn, 2 peas and 1 carrot. Frozen. So I have read that a hairdryer can actually defrost. Now of course you can defrost on the oven, in the microwave, but guess what? I want to know if a hairdryer can defrost. Okay, so it's on high. So, hairdryer. Actually I'm quite cold, which is nice. Dry in the hair, dry in the hair. But, and testing 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, go. It just blew my corn away. Ah, that's so hot. It made me burn my hand. Ooh, it's really hot. I swear I can see sparks. Am I crazy? It's making it really hot. I'll find those 2 pieces of corn wherever they went. So, well, there's some water in it. This glass thing is really hot. Still very cold, but well, it's definitely heating it up. So it smells like burning though. Just try just a tiny bit longer and then done. Or here, look. Let's take out. Let's just do the carrot. Because other stuff flew out because they were too little. All right. 1 carrot. And then there was 1 carrot in the bowl. And then there was 1 carrot in the bowl. Okay. Did I just break it? I broke it. Did that get too hot? Did it go off by itself because it was too hot? Oh. I might have just broken the hairdryer. I think I just overheated. Is that possible? I thought it has a safety warning. Okay. Does not work. Unplug it and press reset. I hope I didn't just break it. I just broke my hairdryer. I just broke my hairdryer. And the carrot is still cold. I mean, yes, if you held it there long enough, it would totally defrost. But apparently, holding it this close to the friggin' bowl just broke my hairdryer. Danger. Oh my god. I have... my hand's all... My hand's all funny. Oh my god, what have I done? What have I done? So this is not safe then, because my hand feels tingly, it smells like burning in here, and I broke my hairdryer, and the carrot is still a freaking frozen carrot. So this testing... I mean, yes, look, it's not like iced and frozen, but this is a bust. I'm calling it a bust. It just broke my hairdryer. It broke my hairdryer. Oh, I've got tingly hands. Oh my god, I'll find some pieces of corn. Buy you a hairdryer. Defrost a carrot. It's not funny.